ToughCover Australia, heavy-duty container domes and shelters built for the job. Starting with our 6-meter wide dome, perfect for farms, small worksites and equipment storage. Available indoor wall, full wall, or half-panel configuration, giving you flexible access options. For larger operations, we go up to 10, 12 and 14 meters wide. Our 10 meters and 12 meters models feature 76 by 2.5 millimeters steel frames, built for serious structural strength. Every shelter is manufactured factory direct at Jiancheng Metal Group in China. No middleman, better quality, lower price. Our 10 meters and 12 meters models use 76 by 2.5 millimeters steel tubing. That's 25% thicker wall than the standard 2.0 millimeters you'll find elsewhere. Grade 8.8 bolts throughout. Strong, reliable connections that won't let you down. Our clamp-on system means no welding needed, saving you $500 or more on installation. Every order is carefully packed and shipped direct from our Melbourne's warehouse to your site. We hold stock right here in Melbourne. Order today, dispatch within 3 to 5 business days, anywhere in Australia. ToughCover Australia, factory direct, built tough, backed by a 10-year warranty. Get your free quote now.